Okay, let little Rain hold you and pet you. Good boy. Good boy. Can let the Rain pet you? So go ahead.
He says, now what she have in her hand? She had to get something weird out.
He won't eat usually. Something from here.
Petey.
It's too wound up.
Hi. What a cute picture.
At least he's looking
Rusty,
at you.
he sure is. Rusty.
He starts excited.
Rusty Boo Boo.
Here.
There she comes. Here comes Delilah. Oh. I think she licked it, but I'm not sure. Maybe we got a backlight. Hi, honey. Oh, he says, I'm sorry, Petey, I shouldn't have done the camera. Where's Paco?
Bob Cruz, line 1, please.
Oh, I'm sorry, Petey. Lila Boo Boo? Lila. 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 Hi, Lila. Hi. Hi, sweetie.
I know.
Petey tries to talk to me and oh, where's Paco?
Paco.
I want to get Paco on here too.
Yeah, here he is. Come here, Ruben. Come here, buddy. Just call him.
Paco, hi.
I know. Mama's got a tea. That's it.
Hi, sweetie, hi.
Isn't he a changed one though? Too?
I know.
He's got
He
all the
looks
confidence.
wonderful.
Is that your brother, huh? I think Petey's gonna let you pet. He's just within the last month and a half been putting his head down. It's real awkward, but he'll let some people pet him.
Petey Paco! Petey Paco! Lila!
Rooney's working the floor. Come here. Rooney's working the floor. That's what he does. I know. Mama's here.
Hi, sweetie.
I know.
This is going to be really funny. That's really
Yeah, you just, Petey, stop. There's no need. She just ran into you, that's all. I think her tail got him.
He got worried. Oh, it looks so cute.
See, and he's really warm and affectionate and wonderful.